Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi A3, and today I will show you how to transfer photos, videos or any kind of file from the phone to SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up your file manager. So let's just pull up the app drawer, and it's right here. So it's files, and continue, and then scroll down, get rid of this. And as you can see, there is the SD card and the internal storage. Now, if you don't see an SD card, you can tap here on the three dots, and where I have show storage devices, you will have, or where I have hide storage devices, you should see show storage devices. But going back to it, you want to find your whatever you want to transfer. So for me, it's going to be the photos, and I'm not exactly sure where it's saved. It might be actually here or not. So it's on the internal storage. And basically photos and videos should be primarily located under the XIAOMI folder right here, which if your photos are being saved already on the SD card, you will have the same folder on the SD card and probably on the internal storage. So from here you'll have the camera, and as you can see, there are two photos that I have just taken randomly just to have something to transfer. And if you want to move them, you can just hold them like this till they basically get selected, and you can add other ones by just tapping on them. Or you can select, for instance, entire folders like this if you want to move the entire folder instead of just a couple photos. But for this, I'm just gonna use a single image like that, and then tap on the three dots up here and select move to or either copy to. Now remove it from where it is right now and move it solely to a different location, while copy will basically keep one image, the exact same image right here where it is right now, and add another one to a different location. So for this, I'm just gonna move it, and then you choose either internal or external storage. So I'm gonna choose the SD card, considering that's what we want to do. And from here you can either create a folder, so you could just move it, for instance, here, I guess. Yep, allow, and as you can see, it disappeared from here. And let's go to here, and you can also should be able to add a folder, which would be nice. So yeah, there it is, add new folder, for instance, and you can just call it, just tap it XIAOMI like that, and then you can just move this to this exact folder so it's all organized, and now it would be in here. Now for some reason, while you're copying or moving the image, you can't create a folder, which kind of sucks, but so that's how you move it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.